Morning Rimochala. I am Stanton Tashi, a student of Jamyangling Model School, Raru. Recently, they introduced a Buddhist philosophy classes in our school. Could you please tell me why it is so important to include in school curriculum? Thank you.
This question can be asked for any subject. Why it is necessary to include social science, mathematics, or language in the school curriculum? The answer would be these knowledge are necessary for a dignified human life, and people should know the mathematics, and people should know the general science, so on and so forth. Each subject has its own vitality. Each subject has its own uh, wisdom by which the individual's capacity to understanding can be increased. So similarly, the Buddhist philosophy is one of the philosophical schools among the world philosophy discipline. There's no any other philosophical school which has the large and depth comparing with the Buddhist philosophy. So first we shall have to ask the question why the philosophy is one of the subjects in the education. If you survey the entire Indian nation, now there are more than 500 universities, and majority of those universities do have the department of philosophy. They teach Western philosophy, they teach many other kind of philosophy, and this question goes with them, why they are having a department of philosophy. It is necessary to have the knowledge of philosophy for an ordinary human life. So each one institution or individual shall have some argument why the philosophical things have been taught even today. So any philosophy is relevant to today, then why not the Buddhist philosophy? This is the similar. And apart from that, the Buddhist philosophy gives the strength and capacity to inquire into the basic ultimate reality of the all phenomena. Basic ultimate reality of the phenomenon is the highest wisdom which a human can imagine. So this wisdom will give you the strength of freeing yourself in all kind of conditioning and all kind of bondages. If you are happy with the conditioning and bondages, then this philosophy has no relevance. If you are looking for the freedom, you are independent of the individual, then this philosophy is very much relevant, and it will give a great ground for understanding modern science as well. You might be aware that now Soldiers reporting the Rahman has dialogue with the modern scientists. And in the beginning, physicists and psychologists and neurologists. Now they are joined by many other science disciplines as well. They find a great benefit and potential to advancing their inquiry, their research into their own discipline. And Buddhist philosophy has a much more contribution to the advancement of the modern physical or material science as well. So therefore it is individual's choice whether someone has interest in this philosophy or not. Of course, we cannot say the Buddhist philosophy should be a compulsory subject. It must be given choice to the freedom to choose by the students individually. And now India, as well as many Asian countries, do have a habit of looking to the Western countries, which we think that they are developed countries. So in that way also, in the Western countries, the Buddhism in general and Buddhist philosophy in particular become each day more and more popular, and many students are joining for that classes. So then Asian may also imitate to those Western people. Sorry, I'm just joking.